Alright, what's up, Curly Top Gang? It's your girl, Curly Top Legs, back with another YouTube video. I know my hair is not curly right now. I'm taking my braids out tomorrow. That's why I'm coming to y'all with this video. It is currently 1 o'clock in the morning, and I was too lazy to do this earlier, so now I'm stuck doing it now. I'm going to show you guys how to make some flax seed gel. Basically, all you need is some water to flax seeds. I'll give you guys some measurements later on. Let's get into the video. So the basic measurement is 2 cups of water for every quarter cup of flax seeds, and then we're going to put them on the stove on medium high and continue to stir. When you're making your gel, you'll notice that it's going to start to rise quickly, but it's okay. All you got to do is stir it and it'll go right on down, child. Don't you worry about it. You know, it kind of smells like pasta. Like noodles. Do you smell noodles or am I tripping?
Yeah, I smell noodles.
Welcome back to Childish.
Hey.
I know it probably don't seem like it's going down on camera, but it used to be right here and now it's down here. So y'all, it's been about 10 minutes. Giving it another stir, making sure the flax seeds are not sticking to the pan, because if you don't mix it, your flax seeds will stick to the pan and burn, y'all. What we're looking for is like a ooey gooey kind of consistency. It's not there yet. We'll give it about 10 more minutes. Also, I just wanted you guys to know that making these flax seeds, it's not for the weak at heart. You know, being in the kitchen in general is not for the weak at heart, you know. It's hot. Okay, so when you stirring and stirring and stirring, your hands are going to be hot. Okay, so if you don't like that, if you're not used to that, maybe, I don't know, wear a glove, you know, have somebody help you out in the kitchen. I really don't know. I work with food, hot food at work, you know. I'm used to stuff like this, but I just wanted to let y'all know a little disclaimer, because it is hot. You know, you over there stirring in the kitchen, wrist twisting. It's not a stir fry, but you're still stirring. It's hot. Alright, you all, so it's been about 10 more minutes from the last time I saw you guys. And if I give the flax seeds a little stir, do you see how it's just kind of going around with me? It's not really foamy anymore. And if I lift it up, that's that ooey gooey I was talking about, that sticky mucus kind of film. This is the consistency that we're looking for in our gel. What I'm gonna do now is turn the fire off. Okay, because it's done cooking. And we're gonna let this sit and thicken up all together. And then we're gonna put it in our container. Alright, so our gel has definitely cooled down. And so we're gonna put it in a whatever jar y'all got. I just washed this little eco-styler one. And I'm actually gonna strain mine. I'm not gonna ruin a perfectly good pair of pantyhose, and I was not gonna go to the store and buy some. So I'm being resourceful and I'm using a strainer. But you guys can use whatever you have at home. So this is how much gel I made. I think that's a lot, to be honest, for 2 cups of water and a quarter cup of flax seeds. And like, this is the consistency. You know, pretty good. And it was easy to make. Like, try it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section. Leave any other videos you would like to see. I have a lot of videos ready that I need to edit for you guys, but they'll be posted soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.